Hello, Emmanuel here, and in today's fast tutorial, we'll learn how to project images through the camera with Blender and Octane. For this tutorial, I'm using HDRI Heaven assets. Be sure to check them out, you can get them for free since it's a community-supported website and the quality is really good. Back to Blender. The most common way to project an image through the camera is as a backplate, so let's do it. Let's go to the Shaders Editor World context. There we add a texture environment and an image texture node. Let's connect the new texture environment to the Octane visible environment and the image texture to the texture environment. Now let's open the image. And enable the visible backplate checkbox. And it seems like it is treating the backplate as an HDR image. To fix the issue, let's add a new node called camera data. And connect the Octane from projection output to the projection input of the texture image. And it is working now. If you want to disable the tiling, we can change the border mode to black color. This method also works with geometry. For example, if we go to the object context in the shader editor and select this plane material, we can add the image texture node, open the backplate image again, and connect it to the albedo. Add the camera data node and connect the projection, and it's working as expected. It's worth mentioning that if you get out of the camera view, the materials will look weird, because now it is projecting through the viewport's perspective. There are ways to work around that, but they are not that straightforward, so I'll probably address them in a future fast tutorial. Well, that's all for now, see you next time.